Next sum. Coplanar forces of magnitude 250, 160 and 370 act at a point O in the directions shown in the diagram. 250 is acting here, 160 is here, 370 is here. Where sin alpha equal to this much, cos alpha equal to this. Calculate the magnitude of the resultant of the three forces. What is the resultant of the three forces given by R? I told you the formula for the resultant force. The formula is square root of Rx square plus Ry square. Calculate also the angle. What is the formula for calculating the angle? Tan inverse Ry by Rx. Right? So to find out any of them, I should know first Rx. So how much is Rx now? See here, 160 is acting in the x-axis. So I don't need to resolve 160. 370 is acting vertically. So even this also doesn't need to be resolved. 250 is acting at an angle. So this 250 has to be resolved. How to resolve this 250? I need to form a right angle triangle. Now instead of walking in this direction, I could go here till here and then I can move down. So what will I write here? It's adjacent to this one, so this becomes 250 cos alpha. And since this is opposite to alpha, it becomes 250 sin alpha. So I have resolved it. Clear? Yeah, let's write Rx. What all are acting in the positive x? 160 is acting in the positive x and even this one is also acting in the positive. So 250 cos alpha. So which is nothing but 160 plus 250 into cos alpha is given by 0.96. If you put in the calculator, you get Rx to be 400. Next, Ry. What all are acting in the positive y direction? 370. Now what all are acting in the negative y direction? Is 250 sin alpha. It's in the negative y, so minus 250 sin alpha. So in place of sin alpha, what do I put? 250 it is, right? So in place of sin alpha it is 0.28. If you put this in the calculator, your Ry is 300. Okay. Now this resultant is nothing but square root of Rx. So 400 square plus Ry 300. Which will give you 500 exactly. That is your R resultant. Now the angle, how do you get? Tan inverse Ry 300 by Rx is 400. So your theta equal to, if you put in the calculator, you get 36.9 is the resultant angle. Am I clear?